Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and here's a sneak peek of a video I just filmed last week. It's the 2017 Lotus Evora 400. This video should hit the channel in the next couple of weeks, so hit that subscribe button. Remember to like and share this video so our channel could grow, and leave a comment below what you think of the Lotus 400. Remember to check out my new YouTube channel, Glenn Real Estate Expert. Okay, this beautiful orange Evora 400 was provided by one of our subscribers. He's been on the channel before. We've reviewed his 997 turbo convertible. Now, the great thing about this Evora 400, it has the 6-speed manual transmission. Now, you can also get an optional automatic on these cars. We've had a couple Lotuses on the channel already. We had a 2013 Evora S on the channel last year, which had the IPS automatic. We did also a Lotus Exige S, similar to the one I used to own, on the channel last year. And we've also done a Lotus Esprit video. So I am a big fan of Lotus. Like I just said, I used to own a Lotus Exige S. And fun per dollar, it's probably one of the best, most visceral cars you can buy on the market today. So to just give you the rundown on the new 400, which replaces the S. Now they're available as 2-seaters or a 2+2, as this one is. They are mid-engine, rear-wheel drive. Starting price is about $93,000. It has a supercharged and intercooled dual overhead cam, 24-valve V6 with aluminum blocks and heads and port fuel injection. It's a 3.5-liter V6 producing 400 horsepower at 7,000 RPM and 302 foot-pounds of torque at 3,500 RPM. The car is about 171.7 inches, which is about the same size as my BMW 1M. It's 74 inches in width, only 48 inches in height, and has a wheelbase of 101 inches. Curb weight is about 3,100 pounds, depending on options. And according to Lotus, it'll do 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds. Look for this review coming soon. Now enjoy the video montage.
I'm so high.